I feel like you could take just about anything, label certain design elements of it by like putting them in parentheses and then plastering it all over the product, and you basically have an Off-White collaboration. Yeah guys, it's your boy Jason here, back with another shoe video. Hopefully you're not getting tired of these, because for me at least, shoes and style just offer kind of a breath of fresh air for me from tech. So be on the lookout for an upcoming outfit video, a room makeover video, and maybe even a video on how I do my hair, who knows. But anyway, let's talk about these, the Nike Off-White Air Force 1 lows sent to me by the nice peeps over at kickz.com. And let's kick things off with an unboxing. Once we crack open the authentic Off-White Nike box, and again, these shoes arrive to me just as you get them if you order them off the site, we have some nice decorated paper filler to pull off the top, then we get to the shoes. We'll put those aside for now, and it looks like we also get the verified authentic StockX tag for confronting the haters, plus some literature from StockX, and even a nice little StockX sticker. And besides some more paper and the shoe filler and the shoes themselves, that is all that is in the box. So design wise, what you see is what you get. I mean, if you like how these shoes look on my feet with how I styled them, then you'll like them if you buy them for yourself. Bad news, if you don't like how these shoes look here, then you won't like how they look in person. What I'm basically trying to say here is the design is polarizing. Some people love it, some people hate it, and me personally, I'm not crazy about it, but I do see the appeal. That white Nike logo on the sides is a nice look, and I think the stitches on the logo add to the detail-oriented design of the shoe as a whole. We get a whole bunch of tiny small details that add up to create an overall complex yet minimal shoe, like the word shoelaces on the shoelaces, or the barely readable Off-White text and address on the side, or even the little orange tag attached to the Nike logo. So the design is polarizing, but regardless, the build is top notch and these shoes feel expensive and like they're not going to break anytime soon. So like I said, these UAs were sent to me by kickz.com. Huge shout out to them, and definitely check out their online shoe marketplace for steep price drops on brand name shoes. Head over to kickz.com and check out the massive shoe selection they offer, which of course includes these guys right here. I'm definitely going to be rocking these from time to time because I feel like they've grown on me just in the week I've owned them. But anyways, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I will catch you in the next one.